Hello, thanks for joining us. My name is Miranda. This video will cover the Hydro SS 700 benchtop and hanging sump units. They utilize a sump and submersible pump to supply the water to the fogging fan. Both units are identical, except for the hanger assembly on the hanging sump unit. These complete, ready-to-install units are quiet and perfectly suited for use in greenhouses, outdoor cooling, and other small applications. The benchtop and hanging sump units conserve water, so they are great for use in drought-prone areas. Here you can see the unit's watertight on-off switch box with power cord and 115-volt plug, 20 feet of water supply line with a garden hose connection, the unit's water flow control valve, and the 115-volt motor that atomizes and propels the fog. Water is fed under ordinary pressure to the sump, where the float valve controls the water level. The small internal pump sends water to the fogging head. The water is directed to the rear of the blade assembly, where it enters a reservoir. The blade's rotation divides the water into internal passageways that extend the length of each blade. The water exits near the end of each blade, where it meets a pinned venturi at high speed to complete the atomization. Any unused water from the fogging head flows back into the sump to be recycled. In short, the Hydro SS 700 uses a dependable, nozzle-free atomization method to produce amazingly fine fog without the need for high-pressure pumps. Once installed, simply position the fogging head and connect the water and power supply lines. We have several control packages for automating the foggers and a selection of stands and supports for installation. Both the benchtop and hanging sump model arrive fully assembled and ready to install. Their quiet and efficient operation makes them a great choice for a variety of small applications. Now let's see this unit in action. We're in Jaybird's testing area to demonstrate the Hydro SS hanging sump. We use a black background and covered lights to help illuminate the fog. Okay, go ahead and turn the unit on. This is fogging at 4 gallons per hour, and, as you can see, the fog is very good quality and evaporating quickly. Average particle size is 35 microns, but most importantly, the fine mist particles are evaporating off and converting to humidity and providing cooling. Mounting these units up high will allow more time for evaporation to occur. And since these sump models are 100% efficient, there are no drainage lines or wastewater. A nice volume of cool fog, ideal for small greenhouses, interior humidification, or outdoor cooling. This is more than 2 tons of evaporative cooling from a unit drawing only 1.5 amps of energy. The benchtop produces the same quality fog you see here from the hanging sump. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the benchtop and hanging sump units or would like to order, check out our website or give us a call. Thanks for watching.